Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the Voice Changer app and granting microphone and call access permissions. This lets the app process live audio. Once done, pick the female or girl preset. You can use a built-in profile to save time. Make sure your phone's Do Not Disturb is off and call routing is set to the app if required. You should test the microphone input inside the app so levels are visible, and adjust input gain until your voice peaks around 60–70% to avoid clipping. You now refine the girl voice by changing pitch and formants. Pitch raises overall frequency, while formant shifting changes perceived vocal track shape. Move pitch in small steps, listen between adjustments, and then shift formants upward until vowels sound feminine without cartoonish artifacts. Use the app's EQ to cut muddiness around 200–500 Hz and gently boost 2–5 kHz for intelligibility. Once you hear a believable female timbre, save this as a custom preset. You're ready to use the voice on an actual call. Enable live call mode, select your saved girl preset, and then place the call. Make a short test call to verify real-time processing and adjust volume so your voice transmits clearly. If the other side hears delay, reduce processing effects or switch to a lower latency codec. If audio drops, confirm microphone and call permissions and reduce input gain. Reinstall the app only after permissions and settings are correct, and keep one troubleshooting tip in mind: lower gain first.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.